Hi,
Hi,
friends. Hey, Manny.
Dad, what was the math problem we were going to do?
Okay, today we are going to do 98 times 56. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. 98 times 56.
So I've just put 98 times 56 to remind me, and then I split the 90 here. 90 plus 8, and then I put 56 here, and then I put a line in the plus here because we'll need it later, and then I'll just put 8 times 56 is a really big number, so I'll just split the 50. 50 plus 6, and then 8 under here, and then there, and plus 8 times 6, 48, and I'll put the equal signs, and then 5 times 8 is 40, so we need that 0 over there, so it's 400. Both of them equal 448. Whoops, I put 2 equal signs, okay. And then I put 448 here, and then 90, so I'll just make it 9, but 9 is close to 10, so it'll be easier, so I'll just do 10. 56 times 10 equals 560, and also now let's turn into 9, so 560 minus 56 equals 504.
Oh, wow.
And then we need to add that 0 over there, so 5040. So 5040 plus 448 is 5,488. This is the answer.
Good. Okay, so this looks actually you did a lot of math in it. Okay,
Yeah.
so you did how many multiplications? You did 1, 2, and 3. And how many additions? 1, 2, yeah, which is 2 additions and 1 subtraction. Okay, which is you here you did 3 multiplications and 2 additions and 1 subtraction. Okay, I'll give you a small trick. Okay, what if I make 98 into 100?
Oh yeah, that would be much more easier.
Yeah, try it.
Okay. So we need to make 98 into 100, which would be super easy. Like 56 times 100 is definitely 560. No, I mean 5,600.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 9 times 8, so I have to, it's 9 times 8, so I mean 98, so 900 minus 98 equals 2, so I have to do 2 times 56, which is 112. Now I need minus this with 112 to get the actual answer. So 5,600 minus 112. Let's see. Okay, I'll just do it in a quick method. So there, and then there, 5, 9, and there we go, 8, and then 8, and then 4, and then 5. There we go. We have the answer.
You got the same answer.
Yeah.
Oh, can you count how many multiplication you did here?
Okay. I did 1, 2. 2 multiplications.
And how many additions?
No additions.
How many subtractions?
I did 1 subtraction.
And how easy it was?
It was easier than the last method.
Okay, which method do you like?
I like the second method better than the first method because it's easier and faster.
Okay, that's true. Yeah. So here involves the lot of multiplications and lot of addition. So if you make any mistakes in any of the small single multiplication or any of the single additions, it's going to just mess up your problem. So you don't get the right answer at all. So here, so just by doing a single trick, small trick, which is making 98 into 100, which is much closer to 100, and the difference is going to be only -2, and doing 2 times whatever the number is much easier, and your life becomes much easier. So use this kind of trick wherever it's possible, so that make your problem easier, and then readjust it. It will be, if you don't make much mistake, and you can do it much faster as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's keep watching it.
Yeah, let's keep doing math also.
Yeah, keep it up.
Bye.